Very good morning, my dear children. Today we shall discuss the first chapter of economics, that is development. Now, what is development? Development means economic development. Economic development of a country. So there is a criteria decided by World Bank, that is per capita income. Per capita income means there is a formula in finding out the per capita income, that is total income of the country divided by total population. Now, in the decade of 1990s, UNDP means United Nations Development Program, decided one more reform criteria developed by Amartya Sen and Mehboob ul Haq, a famous economist of Pakistan. That was Human Development Index. Human Development Index means including all these parameters, including per capita income because it is an important criteria, per capita income, then literacy rate of a particular country, which will show that how the population is literate. Then net attendance ratio. What is the meaning of net attendance ratio? Means the total number of children taking admission in the school, that is also called gross enrollment ratio. Got the point? Then medical facilities. Kind of medical facilities provided in the country, like that the kind of hospitals, clinic, dispensary, and diagnosis process, providing them free medicines, like that Rajasthan or 2 or 3 more other states who are providing free medicines to the people. The medical facilities improved or not. Then life expectancy, जीवन प्रत्याशिता, मतलब the lifespan of a people, like that India has the life expectancy of 65 years. Then infant mortality rate or IMR, शिशु मृत्यु दर, on an average on 1000 live born children, how many are surviving, that is infant mortality rate. Now there is a difference between economic growth and economic development. इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ की जब हम बात करेंगे तो जो ओपेक की कंट्रीज है, सऊदी अरेबियन कंट्रीज को हम ओपेक कंट्रीज कहते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज. अब वहाँ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ है लेकिन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि वहाँ जेंडर वाइज है, जेंडर बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. Women are not allowed to get higher education. They are not having the right to vote. In many countries also, like African countries or our neighboring countries also, in Bangladesh and Pakistan, we have such kind of discrimination. For the point, the economics says that there should be economic welfare. हमारी जो इकोनॉमिक्स है वो कैसी है? वेलफेयर इकोनॉमिक्स, प्रजा कल्याणकारी अर्थशास्त्र हम बनाना चाहते हैं. फॉर द पॉइंट. तो अब ये जो क्राइटेरिया वो हो गई ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स की. अब कुछ ऐसे क्राइटेरिया हैं जो नॉन मटीरियलिस्टिक है. ये मटीरियलिस्टिक हो गए, ये कैसे हो गए? नॉन मटीरियलिस्टिक. तो बिसाइड्स इनकम, पीपल ऑल्सो नीड फ्रीडम, then security. Freedom means all kind of freedom, economic freedom, social, political, whatever. Then security means kind of security which the government or which the society provides. Then equal treatment. Basically when we come to this particular point, equal treatment in our country especially, there is a sexual discrimination, that is gender wise treatment. Then the people of SC/ST classes are not provided the equal treatment still. Then respect of others in the society, and people also want kind of resent discrimination, especially in India, that is casteism or other factor. Now one development may be development for one and may not be development for other. If we compare between two people, like that a landless rural farmer, what the point, who needs more number of days of work and good wages, then a farmer who is a very rich farmer, he needs that there should be higher support prices and multiple cropping. Then a farmer who is depend on rain, he needs the irrigation facilities and government support for tools and implements. So different people have different developmental goals. There is a question in the chapter that money in your pocket cannot buy us the different things which we need, like that money cannot buy us a pollution free environment, money cannot buy for us unadulterated medicines. Then like kind of infectious disease which we are facing, like corona, money cannot buy us a control the infectious disease unless or until we not make such a kind of strategy to take the preventive action just we are taking in the present. Now there is another topic, that is sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a kind of development without damaging the environment and making such a strategy or planning for making a resemblance between the present speed of using the resources and the future. Means making a balance between the present and future. One such case that was in the chapter of geography, resources and development. Gandhiji was very apt for voicing his concern that there is enough for our need, not for our greed. What's the point? So ultimately, I think you have understood all these kinds of parameter, like that human development index, then the criteria other than development, the different things, different people have different developmental goals, or the money cannot buy us, all kind of such kind of things. I think everything you have understood well. Okay, thank you.